In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see liked posts on the LinkedIn app. LinkedIn, as you know, is a powerful platform for professional networking and keeping track of what's happening in your industry. Whether it's likes, shares, or insightful comments, many of us engage with a variety of posts every day. Sometimes you might want to revisit a post you've liked to see updates or to engage further. Here's how you can do just that with ease. First, grab your device and navigate to linkedin.com. If you're using the LinkedIn app, make sure it's updated to the latest version for the smoothest experience. Once you're on the LinkedIn homepage, you'll need to sign in. You have the option to log in using Google, Microsoft, or simply your email address and password, whichever is most convenient for you. Remember to keep your login credentials handy and ensure a strong internet connection for a seamless process. If you've set up two-factor authentication, LinkedIn might prompt you to verify your account with a code sent to your phone number. This extra layer of security is vital for protecting your personal information, so if prompted, enter the code and you'll be swiftly redirected to your feed. Now that you're logged in, focus your attention on the upper right hand corner of the screen where your avatar picture resides. Give it a click. This opens a drop-down menu with various options pertaining to your profile. From here, you'll want to select View Profile. This step is your gateway to accessing your LinkedIn activities. Once you're on your personal profile page, scroll down until you reach the section labeled Activity. This is where LinkedIn stores all the actions you've taken, including every post you've interacted with. Don't worry, we're nearly there. Within the Activity section, you'll notice an option labeled Show All Activity. Tap it. This will lead you to a comprehensive list of your recent activities, encompassing posts you've liked, commented on, and even those you've shared with your network. But we're zeroing in on the posts you've liked. To fine-tune your view, look for the filtering options within the All Activity section. Tap on Reactions. This specific filter will neatly arrange your activity page to showcase only the posts you've liked. This focused view is perfect for revisiting inspiration, tracking discussions, or simply reminiscing about content you found noteworthy. And there you have it, you now have easy access to all the posts you've liked on LinkedIn, putting all the content you appreciate right at your fingertips. Whether you're using this feature for professional pursuits or personal enjoyment, it's a great way to stay engaged with the content and people that matter most to you on LinkedIn. Thanks for following along, and happy networking.